Hi everyone, thank you for joining us for our fourth updates webinar. I hope everybody is doing great. So let's wait for a few minutes to join everyone, then we will start the webinar. Meanwhile, I will guide you through some housekeeping rules. So if you have any questions regarding to any updates during the session, you may ask in the comment section. I will be happier to take your questions and give you a proper solution in the comment sections and via WhatsApp support groups. So today's webinar is all about the transport operations, how we can make transport operations work smoothly. So there are various challenges faced by the DMCs in managing the transport services, like hundred of pickups and drop locations to coordinate, multiple cabs and drivers and supplier to manage operations, and the last minute operation changes. This and also the constant follow-ups and confirmations to the customers. These are the topics we will discuss in our today's webinar. So let's start our webinar. This is the first update, which is daily operation bulk booking and trip operational filter. Earlier, teams need to update the suppliers trip by trip and going to the particular trip manually, which also create a very lengthy process, and operators also can't see the location wise transport. That creates poor operational visibility. So now I will show you how this feature exactly works in Sembark, how you can do the bulk bookings in the system. Firstly, we need to open the operational calendar like this. Now we will select the particular day for which we want to do the bookings for. Now click on this advanced filter button. Now type that particular service location you want to book the services for. For example, I am booking the service for Bangkok tour like this. Now I will apply the filters for the Bangkok tour. Now all the services regarding to the Bangkok tour on that particular day will appear in this page. Now I will simply click on update cab suppliers. Now I will assign all the cabs to the particular supplier I want to assign to. Now I will just simply select the service provider name over here. Now I will click on this confirm by supplier button and assign this cabs like this. So this is how you can do the bulk booking in the system. So moving forward to our second webinar, second feature, which is transport service edit and multiple add. So earlier small changes were very time consuming. If you want to edit a service, we do not have a particular feature to edit. We have given only option to disable that service. So now we have provided the edit feature in the system, and you can also add multiple services for the particular location at once. So now I will show you how this feature works in the system. Now just go to the services section and click on transport. Now select the particular transport you want to edit for. Now scroll down, click on this edit service. From here you can edit the particular service for the and change the details you want to edit and click on save services. This is how you can edit the particular service on the service basis. Now I will show you how to add the multiple services in the transport segment. Just click on this new service and select the start city. For example, I am creating multiple service for Bangkok like this. Now there is a button add another service. By clicking on this I can add multiple services at once. Like this. Now I will simply save the service. Now all the three services are saved in the system. This is how you can add the multiple services. Now moving forward to our next update, which is pickup and drop locations. So earlier the pickup and drop locations were manually coordinated by the team via calls and messages, and this creates a confusion between drivers during the tour operations, and it has a high chances of increasing the mistake in guest pickups. So these are the enhancements which are done in the software to improve this feature. Now I will tell you how this pickup and drop location feature exactly works. Now firstly, while adding the service, just uncheck this quick add button. Now you can see a option of pickup location and drop location over here. You just need to mention that particular pickup location of the particular service and simply save this service. Now I will show you how this feature works when you convert a quote in the service booking segment. Just go to the particular converted quote. Now click on service bookings and just click on this update timings button, and you will get the same feature over here also. You can mention the pickup location and drop location for the particular services over here. Now the next enhancement is using hotel as a pickup or a drop location. In some cases we need to select the hotel as the pickup point, so you can do that also by just clicking on this use check-in hotel as a pickup, this feature. By clicking on this, the system will automatically take the check-in hotel as the pickup point. So this is how this feature works, and after checking the box you can just click on save changes, and this is how you can do this. Now moving forward to our next feature, which is transport closing dates. So earlier we cannot manage a particular feature like this from which we can close the particular date. That creates risk for invalid transport bookings. So now via this update we can do that also in the system. Now I will show you how that is done in the system exactly. Firstly, go to the converted quote. Now go to the service bookings and click on the update timings button. I will show you how this feature exactly works in the transport part also. While adding the new services, you just need to click on quick add. Now scroll down and you will see the closed on date of the week. Now you need to select the particular day for which you want to close the particular transport service. For example, I am closing this service on Sunday, so I need to select that Sunday. Now the system will automatically pick that service closed on the every Sunday, and you can also add multiple intervals in this. You just need to select the date ranges according to your close dates and simply save the services. So this is how you can select transport closing dates. Now moving forward to the next update, which is cab capacity system. Earlier we do not have a dedicated way to add the cab capacity in the system. So we have given the feature in the sheets and in the software also. So this create a wrong allocation of packs in the cab types. Now I will show you how this is done via sheets and via the system also. Now firstly I will guide you how this feature works in the system. You just need to go to the organizations. Now scroll down and click on this cab types. Just select the particular cab you want to edit the cab. Now just select the total capacity and mention the child age from where the child is considered as complementary. Now save the details. This is how this is done in the system. Now I will also show you how this feature works in sheets. So this is the sheet. You just need to go to the cab type where you mention the cab type. You just need to mention the maximum capacity of the packs like this 4 packs, and also mention the child age. So this is how the cab capacity system is worked. Now moving forward to our next update, which is multi-cab management in a single service. So earlier if you are giving multiple cabs in the single day or a single service, we are not able to do cab wise information. So via this update we are able to provide cab wise information to the customers. So I will show you how this feature works. You just need to go to the converted quote. Now just click the quotation you have made. Now go to the service bookings part. Now click on update timings, and there is a feature called cab wise timing over here. Now just click on this cab wise timing and you can add the particular start time or the particular information regarding to that particular cabs on the cab wise level, not on the service wise level. This feature works like this. Now you just need to save the details and you can see this in the sharing options also over here. So this is how you can manage multiple cabs in the system. Moving forward, our next update is transport cost distribution. Earlier, there is a lack of flexibility to exclude the transport price of the person in the transport services. Now we have provided to exclude the particular price of that particular person in the system while creating the quotations. This is mainly used for tour guides pricing strategies. Now I will show you how you can exactly do this also. You just need to go to the trips in any of the quotations you are making. Now open that particular quotation. For example, I am making the quotation for 5 adults and I want to exclude 1 adult in the transport part. Now I will head towards the markup section. Firstly, I will select per person in the pricing strategy. Now I will get the option of excluding transport charges for that particular adult I want to exclude, and I can also do this for the children's also if you are providing the children in the quotation like this. As I mentioned 1 adult, so the system will automatically calculate the transport prices for 4 adults only because I have excluded 1 adult. Now I will show you how this look in the sharing option like this. So this is the feature exactly works in the Sembark.